Hello guys, it's me, Sir Ernest, and today we're going to solve problem 7.9 of Fowles and Cassiday 7th edition. The problem reads, if two bodies undergo a direct collision, show that the loss in kinetic energy is equal to this expression, 1/2 mu v squared times 1 minus epsilon squared, where mu is the reduced mass, v is the relative speed before impact, and epsilon is the coefficient of restitution. So we remember that from problem 7.8, we showed that the kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mvcm squared plus 1/2 mu v squared. Okay, so we can define the loss of kinetic energy to be T minus T prime, where T prime is the kinetic energy after collision and T is the kinetic energy before collision. Okay, so using this definition, we can now express the loss in kinetic energy to be T minus T prime, and that is equal to 1/2 mvcm squared plus 1/2 mu v squared minus 1/2 mvcm prime squared plus 1/2 mu v prime squared, where the primes are the velocities after collision. Also, because conservation tells us, so by momentum conservation, the velocity of the center of mass remains the same. So therefore, this term and this term are essentially cancelled. Okay, so and the coefficient of restitution is v prime over v. This is the relative speed before collision, this is the relative speed after collision, and the relative speed before collision. So okay, so that means T minus T prime would be equal to 1/2 mu times, so we factor out 1/2 mu here, times v squared minus v prime squared, or 1/2 mu v squared minus, so here v prime is equal to epsilon v, so this becomes epsilon v squared. Okay, so factoring out v squared, we now have T minus T prime equals 1/2 mu epsilon 1/2 mu v squared times 1 minus epsilon squared, which is what we are looking for. Okay, so again, so the loss of kinetic energy or less in kinetic energy when two bodies are undergoing direct collision. When you say direct collision, this means this is a head-on collision, is given by 1/2 mu v squared times 1 minus epsilon squared, where mu is the reduced mass, v is the relative speed before impact, and epsilon is the coefficient of restitution. Okay, easy guys, easy, right? So I hope you learned something today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.